Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an autumn home decor haul for the range. They have some pre-made items that have really surprised me how much amazing stuff that they actually do have this year, especially considering the availability of autumn home decor in the UK, which is usually very limited, so I'm really impressed. But I have also got some things to show you where I'm going to be DIYing and making some of my own home decor for autumn as well. So let me show you everything that I bought. So I got super excited when I saw this first item. I saw it on someone else's YouTube video and I immediately had to go. It's about an hour away to my nearest the range, so it was worth the trip when I managed to get hold of this. It almost doesn't fit in the screen. To get this in the UK is like a big deal. Even though it's so easily accessible in America, but in this country to get something that's actually geared up for autumn and like autumn home decor is like a big win. And it has got 3 pumpkins, so we have a white one, a kind of whitewashed one, and then a bright orange one, and then it's got this beautiful orange. I swear I've got something in my eye. It has these beautiful orange, and these look like green, and there's little red ones and stuff, so there's a mixture of those beads going around like berries. And then it does have all these beautiful leaves and foliage, and it is on a wicker sort of back. And I'm not gonna lie, there's bits that have fallen off the back that are everywhere. Like there's a little piece there that you can see that's fallen off. But yeah, this is a really good price. I think, if I'm right, it was about £15, which is really reasonable, and it's actually huge, as you can see, compared to me. And I'm hoping, I presume this is waterproof, so I will be putting it on my front door and just hoping for the best. But I'm so pleased that we are moving in the right direction with home decor in this country. Finally, we are slowly catching up and getting there. So then a few things to show you that kind of match with that, and they did actually have garlands as well. So I did buy 2 garlands. I'll just show you one because they're exactly the same and they do match. Oh, if I had a fireplace, this would look so beautiful. I actually bought 2 and then was very undecided about where on earth they're going to go, because I might be doing more pinks and not more neutral colours in my downstairs of the house. So this might actually be going somewhere in the bedroom, maybe around the TV. I'm going to have a really cosy, these sort of traditional colours in the bedroom. I'm not sure if I actually needed 2. I might put them on the stairs, but I'm not sure. Oh, okay, so this so that's actually a completely different thing. I'll show you that in a second. So if you can kind of see, it is the exact same things that were on the wreath. So we've got the pumpkins, and then we've got the leaves, and then the berries, and it is pretty long, I would say. Does it actually say on the tag? It's length 1.2 meters. So that's how long it is. I'm not gonna lie, I can't remember how much it was. If I can, I will try and put all the information down below, or I'll put it on the screen somewhere. They might have them on the website now. Apparently, when I looked, they didn't have stuff on the website, but when my mum looked, they did have stuff, but it was out of stock. So I don't know how quick these are going, because obviously, like I say, this is something that we don't usually get in this country. And you can see, like, they've got the whitewashed pumpkin there. I'll show you some close-ups so you can properly see. And yeah, this, oh, hold on, there is a sticker. Autumn garland, £12.99. I will show you all the foliage things first, but then I do have some other amazing like art pieces and things that I'm going to use for DIY stuff. But as I kind of just showed you, I got this as well. I can't remember how much this was, but it is just a nice little orange piece. So this might be going in a box on top of my television. Not my television, my piano. I'm not sure, or I do have this little wooden tray that I got from Hobbycraft at Easter time, and this might go on our dining table with some pumpkins. I think that'll look really nice and just kind of have a nice centerpiece for our table. I do think this was really reasonably priced. I'm sure it was quite cheap, and I love the fact it is very like bright yellowy sort of orange colours and not quite as dark as the more dark orange and burnt kind of brown colours. And another autumnal garland that I got, and this is another one that's a very short one, and this may go on top of a storage unit or something like that, and probably with pumpkins and stuff. I got some that I bought from Hobbycraft that I'm going to be painting, so I can paint them whichever colour kind of fits in with each room, so that might be able to go in the living room with some pink or silver pumpkins that I can paint and put on top. And it doesn't have a price, so I will, like I said, try and put as much information down below as possible. And then I did actually get, I know I said I got the pumpkins from Hobbycraft to paint, but I also got these, and I picked these up. These were actually in the Halloween section in a little bucket, and I just thought these were really cute, that I might end up snipping the actual bottom off, so then they are just the pumpkins and it's just a very natural wicker. I thought these would look really nice in my more neutral kind of colour theme for the living room, and match a lot of the like tops of the lid of the candle and stuff. So I got 3 of them, and I do remember these were £1 each, and I just thought those were really cute. And my last 2 bits of foliage, so I got this one, I think this was maybe up to £5 I would have thought. I wouldn't think it would be any more than £5, but it does have 2 sunflowers. I debated whether to get some more of these. This might go in my daughter's bedroom, and she might just have it like in a single vase, I'm not entirely sure. And it's got some like eucalyptus at the back and some like, I'm not really sure, they're like almost frosted berries, but it almost looks like it's with pollen, and some foliage like sunflower leaves. So that is just a nice piece. I love sunflowers at this time of year, as you can tell by the ones next to me. These are actually real ones. Or I kind of wish I got a few more of these, and then I could have put them in this jug. So I might have to go back for some more, but I thought this was just really nice, and it brightens up the area because we don't want to be too kind of muted tones that it's dull and kind of too dark. And then I do love silver, and the downstairs, like I say, it's not going to be as many bright colours, and I do have some glittery pumpkins and stuff, and I'm planning on putting a box on top of my piano with some foliage and pumpkins. And so I did buy this silver eucalyptus, which was maybe probably less than £2, and I do have some normal green eucalyptus of this that's from the range as well, so it's the exact same sort of style. And I might do maybe the 2 eucalyptus and then this, or I do have a pink glittery one as well that they do from, I don't know if it was from last year. So I might actually do pink and silver foliage in a box with some pumpkins. I'm really undecided, which is why you will have to make sure you do subscribe, so then you can see the fall autumnal house tour where I've finally decided where everything's going to go, because it's very up in the air at the minute. And then to go with all this foliage, I might be buying some general battery operated lights, but I did stumble across these at the range, and just to get something like this in our country is like another big win. And these were not too expensive as far as I can remember, but these are maple leaves in different colours, so it looks like there is some dark browns and more golden browns. And I'm going to put these probably with some foliage in either the living room or maybe up here, but just cute twinkly lights. You can't not, like, that is just quintessentially cozy. And so I did actually buy 2 packs of these, and then I might have some general copper string lights that I'm going to purchase to just dot about and just make as many cozy little nooks and places as possible within the home. And now I think I will show you guys the couple of art pieces that I bought. These, I don't know if these were aimed to be autumnal home decor, but they just would work very well with the theme I'm going for. And there is this one, especially like I've said before, we don't celebrate Thanksgiving in the UK, but it is nice to be thankful and grateful at this time of year, and I generally really try to practice gratitude as much as I can. I like to write lists of things that I'm grateful for, and it really helps put me in a positive mood. And so we have got this is actually I don't know if it's like stuck on is the back, and it's like on a plaque, but it does say begin each day with a grateful heart, and it's just nice because I do, with my mental health struggles, I do have a habit of slipping and kind of going backwards, and then I kind of have to pull myself back together and stuff. And so I do find when I am more grateful and practice gratitude, I'm a much happier person, especially when I do it first thing on a morning and I really start my day that way. So it's just nice to be grateful, and it's just rustic and cozy. And then if you saw my first HomeSense haul, and then I think it was an Asda haul as well, so it was actually the stuff I bought at Asda. There was a theming of hedgehog couples with cushions and blankets and stuff, and so this perfectly tied in. I have ordered, because I've got all these things, I have ordered some the hooks that stick on the wall, that then it won't, I'm not going to be putting loads of holes in the walls to hang these up, but then they're going to be taken down for like Christmas and stuff. I don't want to be damaging the walls just for temporary things, so I've ordered some of them. But I just thought this was a really cute little picture that ties in perfectly for the time being with our hedgehog couple theme. And I do actually have some art pieces from years in the past that are going to be going up as well, that you'll see in the house tour. And I'm going to be making some of my own artwork. I have been obsessed with Pinterest, and especially because I got the in my second HomeSense haul, so my last video, I will link all this below and above. I bought a tiered tray, and I've been obsessed with looking at autumnal themed and Halloween themed tiered trays, and I just couldn't find anything in particular. I mean, to be honest, this might actually fit, although it depends where the blanket and stuff's going to end up, so it might not go on the tiered tray. I'm not sure. I really don't know. But I have bought some box frames, and these were super cheap as well, and I've got two of the smaller ones, and these are things that I'm going to maybe do some of my DIY Rae Dunn themed things. I'm not really sure. I'm going to have a think and plan, and probably these are going to go into my tiered tray and say things like thankful, or I do have some plaid fabric that perfectly suits our living rooms and stuff, so you guys will have to wait and see what I decide to do with them. But they like a really thick and really good quality, but nice reasonable price for me to add my own pieces for the bits that this country is unfortunately lacking in a little bit, and I can kind of watch all the American videos and get some ideas from their videos. And the last thing I want to show you, actually on the subject of talking about Rae Dunn, I have been watching so many videos, and I don't know why, and it just seems so simple that it's like black writing on a white mug and stuff, but for some reason even I feel like I need something that's Rae Dunn, and it's really hard, if not impossible, to get in the UK unless I'm just like missing something and don't know where to find it. So I decided to take things into my own hands, and for my tiered tray I have bought two plain mugs. So I've got these, they are the Contemporary collection. I don't know how much these were, they were just really cheap and cheerful, and I will be making my own Rae Dunn mugs. I think I'm keeping them white, but I know some of his Halloween stuff is black and stuff, so I'm really undecided. We will see if there is budget to buy fancy like chalk paints and stuff, but we will see, and that will look super cute. And I have some ideas of some like faux whipped cream on top. I'm literally so excited about this tiered tray, in case it isn't obvious. And the last thing I have to show you guys is this bowl, and this was also by the Contemporary collection, and I'm probably going to either put some autumnal potpourri in that I could maybe try and DIY and make myself if I find the time with 3 children. But I'm planning on doing something Rae Dunn themed. I'm just not sure what I'm actually going to put in it, or I might actually inside it I might put some pine cones and just autumnal, maybe go with the kids and gather and collect things, because then it's a nice thing to do with the kids as well. And this will probably be going on the bottom of the tiered tray where there is quite a lot of room, and it probably would definitely fit. And I just need to decide what sort of I need to write on here that is going to be Rae Dunn themed. I just wanted to show you guys this as well that I picked up. I forgot to show you this in my video that I filmed yesterday, so I've just tagged this on the end of the video. and I'm going to put a really cute autumnal picture in this. I will show you, I will put on the screen some of our previous years, and obviously we will have an extra baby this year. It says it was £4.99, but I know I actually did get this for half price, I think. So I don't know if it was £2.50 or it might have been £2.99. So this was on sale, but I thought it just ties in perfectly with the comfy cozy vibes. But that was my little the range haul that is all autumnal home decor for the UK. I'm so pleased with my little haul and can't wait to get decorating, so make sure you do subscribe. If you liked this video and liked all the things that I bought, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know down below what your favourite item was and how you plan to decorate. I'd love to know any ideas for tiered display trays, especially for in my kitchen. So if you do have any ideas, then make sure you do let me know. And thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.